Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Revolut using a virtual card. So, you will appear on this screen once you open the Revolut app. And now you're going to want to tap on Get Card. And it's going to make you choose between physical or virtual. You're going to want to tap on virtual because that's what this video is about. It's currently free. And once you tap on virtual, you're going to want to name the card. It can be anything. And it's gonna name the card. So once you do that, you're first gonna want to copy the link of that card because we're gonna need it for later. So just copy that. And how do you do that? Just tap on the card and then it's gonna say copy the link of this card, and you're gonna want to tap on copy. So go to wallet in the settings app and then tap on add card. So you're gonna want to type your name, your information, and then paste the virtual card where it needs to be pasted, the link of the virtual card. So it's going to connect to your Apple Pay, and that's pretty much it. You can pay with your virtual Revolut card now. So I really hope this helped. If it did, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.